there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can, just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Hello everyone. So welcome to day 3. I am so proud of you for making it to day 3. Let's keep this momentum going. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be rating our life areas. Okay, we're going to be making sure that we have a clear evaluation of where we are in life, in every area of our lives, and where we are going to, because this just gives you so much self-awareness of every area of your life. Okay, so which area of your life are you thriving in, or which area of your life could you be better in? Because this is just a beautiful way for us to make sure that we're going to be living a balanced life in 2025. Okay, so for your priorities, what are your priorities? Which area of your life would you be setting the most goals in? Okay, because if you know that you're not quite where you want to be yet, then you do not have to now focus on all the other ones that maybe you're not where you want to be yet, but it's not really that important to you now. Okay, so your before is kind of low, but your after is not that low, because you know that that is not what your focus is right now. Okay, so that is what we're going to be doing in this video. So let us get our sources ready and let us get straight into it. Okay, so if you got your PDF, your free PDF is completely free, by the way. If you print it out, this is what you're going to get. So as you can see here, you're just going to write your life area here, and then you're going to now rate it. Okay, so one from a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, so for my career, what would I rate myself right now? And then where do I want to be by the end of 2025? Okay, because it's very important for you to have this so that you know that, okay, yes, this is what I'm working towards. And of course, once you circle it, you're going to see the gap. You're going to say, okay, this is where I'm at right now, and this is where I want to be. So better make sure that I'm setting the appropriate goals and the appropriate habits for me to actually feel like I am at this stage of my life by the end of the year. Okay, so that is just the easy way to do it with the PDF. But if you want to take this up a notch, if you want to take this up a notch and you want to use our Notion template, then let us get on to how you can actually do that. Okay, all right, guys. So we are in day 3. So you're going to see we have our rate your life area. So we're just going to click on that, and it's going to take us to the page. Okay, so as you can see now, once you open this up, you're going to have all of your life areas. Okay, so these are just life areas. Like for instance, if you don't want community, you want maybe this to mean your social, you can just like write it, and then it's going to change. Okay, so these are not set in stone, so you can always just switch it up when you want to switch it up. So as I said before, you want to give yourself a number out of 1 to 10 for where you are right now. So your right now is your before. Okay, and then your desired. Okay, so my desired, what do I desire to have by the end of 2025? So if for instance now at your career, you're kind of low because me, I was low okay at the beginning of 2025 2024. I was low. So yeah, I'm just going to do it. Okay, 3. And then for your desired, let's say you want to make it as at an 8. Okay, so as you can see now, it has automatically arranged everything, because we've done like this formula thing where it's not going to like group it. Okay, so this is high and then this is low. Okay, so let's say for instance for your community, you think you're quite okay. It's not something that you're really like working towards for this month and for this year. So let's just say you're at a 4 now, and maybe you just want to be at like a 5, nothing too serious. So as you can see, it's going to stay in low. Okay, so the reason why this is so is because the difference between 3 and 8 is a lot. Okay, the difference between 3 and 8 is 5, while the difference between 4 and 5 is just 1. Okay, so that is the way it works. Okay, so we know that. Let's now say for finances, let's say for our finances, we're at a 6, but we feel like, okay, we could do better, we could like be better, like maybe like an 8, maybe we could be like saving more, but it's not something that we're really going to like transform our lives based on. So let's say we're going to make it an 8. So as you can see, it has already grouped it into medium. Okay, so now what this means is that you're going to have your high priority life areas, you're going to have your low priority areas, and you're going to have your medium priority areas. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing this like, so I'm just going to do this like on time lapse so that I can fully understand what this is going to look like for you. All right, guys. So as you can see now, we have our high priority projects, we have our low priority projects, and we have our medium priority projects. Okay. So this is just a really cool way for you to see, oh, okay, this is where I'm at in this area of my life, and this is where I'm working towards. So you know you're going to enter 2025 with the thing in your mind that I'm working on my career this year. I'm working on my health this year. I'm working on my personal growth this year. I'm working on my spirituality this year. Okay. So this is just a really cool way for you to just have an objective, look at what is going to be important to you, the areas of your life that you're going to be really focusing on for the next year. Okay, so that is that for today's activity. So I'm so proud of you for making it through the end. Keep on going, guys, because trust me, if we go through all of these steps, 2025 is going to be your year, and that's one period. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to see you in day 4 where we're going to be creating our long-term vision. So see you there. Bye.